Next one, what is your time? How about you, Jeros? What is your time also? My God, it is so morning already. In my place, it's morning. 2 hours more, it's daylight. Hey, you there? How about Santa? Hey, you there? Oh! My Santa asawa? Yes, you are Santa also. You are the Santa asawa. Yeah. Sad, no more. What did you say? Okay. Santa Heyo there also, of course. Ay, nauna na kayo sa kanya. He sent already this morning, the Santa. Santa Heyo there, he sent this morning. Yeah, for everyone. Sad, sad mouth, no more, never more. Okay, okay, Nixon. Thank you, Nixon. Nixon, you're we 1 year. On January, you are 1 year already in my. Hey you there. Okay, HYT. HYT for hey you there. Santa Jeros and Santa Nixon. Of course, Santa hey you there also. You know what? This one, Ate Cherry let me borrow this. She saw it from the other stream. They have this. Then he said, lovely. I let you borrow my headband, Christmas headband, so you can wear during your live stream. Santa, Santa, Santa is coming to town. Ayun na, Erwin Pichan, you have a free ticket from Nexon. Thank you, ang babait ninyo, thank you. Santa G is rocker! Santa Albi Rodolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Hello to Render! Charot. Hello, thank you so much also, Santa G is rocker. Thank you so much, Santa Joyce Rocker. Yay! God bless you more to all my Santas today, tonight. Thank you so much, and God bless you more. Joyce Rocker is in the house. Santa Rocker. Thank you ever so much. Thank you ever so much. Thank you ever, thank you ever, thank you ever so much. Thank you. I think I need to change my handle again to Kanok Pinoy. Kanok Pinoy. Why Kanok Pinoy? What is Kanok? Hey you there. Kanok Pinoy. Thank you ever so much, I think I need to change my why? Why what is Kanok Pinoy? Thank you ever so much. You make me happy, guys, today. Santa Jera, Santa Nixon, Santa G. S. Rocker, and Santa Justin Skiles. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Of course, Santa here there also. Pasko na naman, iyo'y dula ka pa. Ang tanging hingat ko lang ay makapiling ka. At sana ngayong Pasko. Thank you to all my Santa Claus out there. Ay maalala mo pa rin ako.